Southwest 1288, Oakland Center, good evening.
Green light, let's get it. 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 I'm the future, I'm in it. Check score, I'm winning. Green light, let's get it. I just win. Win, 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 win. I'm on 10. 10, 10, 10, 10. Hello, I'm Himothy. I got the recipe. I got the flow. I got the remedy. I know they do. I know they envy me. Feet on the floor. What they gon' say now? We came along from last place. Bottom to top of the fast pace. Out of this surf, I get touched.
Central Aircraft Oakland Center is closing in 19 minutes or so.
Green light, let's get it. I'm the future, I'm in it. Check score, I'm winning. Green light, let's get it. I just win.
Let's get 1080 to send me the bricks for arrival San Jose, altimeter 29990.
Green light, let's get it.
Send me the bricks for arrival 2990 Alaska 1080.
Green light, let's get it. I just win. Win, 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 win. I'm on 10. 10, 10, 10, 10. Who said I wasn't him? Who said it? All this talk about who's on top and who's not. Miss me with the gospel. Check the score. Yeah. See me coming off the screen. I gave myself the green light. Catch a shoe from the 3. If I'm not the one, it doesn't seem right. I need like 2, 4, 5, 6 in them rings. I'm talking back to back to back like 23.
Marker 4587 Oakland Center, are you on frequency?
I'm in it. Check score, I'm winning. Green light, let's get it. I just win. Win, 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 win. I'm on 10. 10, 10, 10. Green light, let's get it.
Air Force 9 Kilo Charlie, Oakland Center, cross bowls at and maintain 10,000, the Sacramento altimeter 2984.
2984 and cross bowls at flight level 10047 Kilo Charlie.
Force 9 Kilo Charlie, correction, cross bowls and maintain 12,000.
12,000 crossing bowls 47 Kilo Charlie.
Marker 4587, are you on frequency?
Oakland Center 47 Kilo Charlie. Are we clear direct to bowls?
Negative. Air 138, Mike Echo, have you deviating from your route? Just verify you're turning back direct rebirth.
Affirmative direct rebirth 8 Mike Echo.
One FedEx 1563 Heavy, War 13 descending on 11.
FedEx 1563 Heavy, NorCal approach, President, or Oakland Center, President, altimeter 2985, visual approach runway 29 right. Descent of pilot's discretion, maintain 4,000, advise President reported site.
Okay, we'll expect the visual to 9 right and discretion to 4,000, FedEx 1563 Heavy.
Marker 4587, Oakland Center, do you copy voice? MSO3 arrival, Oakland, altimeter 2990.
Descend via the Enzo 3 arrival, Oakland, altimeter 2992, Southwest 1288.
2990.
2990 for Southwest 1288.
Center is November 1979. We're just now making a right-hand turn for Oink.
For 1979, no traffic observed between the Napa Airport. Radar service terminated. Report I for cancellation. Risk purchase frequency changed. Advisory frequency approved. Good day.
Let's copy that. Change frequency approved. 19 not copy.
Southwest 2522, contact NorCal approach 133.905.
3395 for Southwest 2522, see it.
Yep.
Center low, United 75, 9.9 for flight level 190.
EBS 295, Oakland Center, climb tape all 330.
330, United 75.
EBS 2324, Oakland Center 88. Delta 26, go to contact Seattle Center 13545, good night.
I just stepped on you, but we have the airport. FedEx 1563 heavy.
FedEx 1563 heavy, clip visual approach 129 right, report 5 mile final.
Alright, visual 29 right, we'll report on a 5 mile final, 1563 heavy.
Delta 26, go to contact Seattle 135.45, good night. At and maintain 12000, the Sacramento altimeter 2984.
Bowles 12000, Alaska 1230.
Over to Seattle Center for
Say Malo, you said, man, I love watching streams. Right on, brother. Man, glad you're here, man. Hey, man, this thing is intense sometimes, dude. Like tonight, it's intense, dude. I never landed at this airport before, man, but it's pretty intense, dude. But we got this. We got this. We got this, right? We got this, man.
Southwest 312, Oakland Center, climb tape all 330. FedEx 1839, contact NorCal approach 133.95, good night.
33.95, FedEx 1836. 39, sorry.
Southwest 312, flight level 190.
Southwest 312, Oakland, climb tape all 330, that'll be your final.
Southwest 312, climb and maintaining flight level 330.
Alright, Oakland Center, Southwest 138, radio check.
Southwest 138, Oakland Center, 5x5, proceed direct diamond.
Proceed direct diamond, Southwest 138. Southwest 138 HOE, out of copper for about 3 minutes.
All right, folks. There's our runway right in front of us, literally in front of us. So, all right, let's go ahead and get this bird in here, y'all.
EPS 2324, just gonna be the Windsor 2 arrival. Oakland altimeter 29990. EBS 2324, just gonna be the Windsor 2 arrival. Oakland altimeter 29990. EBS 2324, just gonna be the Windsor 2 arrival. Air 13 at Mike Echo, proceed direct reperk.
Direct reverb in Mike Echo.